Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing you a cash flow tip of the day on overheads. Now, overheads is both a profit and a cash flow lever, meaning that not only does it help you have more cash flow in your business if you're not paying lots of expenses or lots of costs, but it also means that your profit will be better if you can minimize your costs. So, our tip of the day for reducing overheads is, does the business actually need to operate from a location? Now, we're hearing more and more about location independent businesses, and to a certain extent, we've got trapped in this whole idea that we have to have a premises for people to take us seriously. But there's a whole plethora of online businesses opening up now, and we really don't need to have maybe the same size business premises that we used to have if we still even need a business premises. So it's about being creative about your people management and making sure that you can actually still keep control of your business and keep managing your business. But does it actually need to operate from that expensive location? So this is a cash flow tip about overheads.